Andũ 10 nĩo makuĩte mĩtino-inĩ ya barabara thĩinĩ wa mathaa 24 barabara-inĩ nene ya Naikuru gũthiĩ Eldoret 7 marĩ Arutwo. Ũmũthĩ mathaa-inĩ ma mĩaraho arutwo atandatũ kuma thukuru wa AIRITU wa MBIHI kuma kaunti ya VIHIGA nĩmakuĩrĩire mwena wa Naivasha thutha wa matatũ ĩrĩa ĩmakuĩte kũgũthana na rori.
This vehicle was trying to overtake a long fleet of vehicles near the Delamere part of the road, when unfortunately another lorry was coming from the Nairobi general direction, and it met head-on, and it was hit on the side and it flew several meters and landed in a ditch.
OCPD wa Naivasha Benjamin Bowen oigĩte matatũ ya sako ya SWAT ĩgũkuĩte arutwo 11 kuma Western thutha wa kũhinga thukuru rũtha rwa mweri wa kana.
The scene, 5 bodies unfortunately were collected. These are all students, girls. After the accident, books were strewn all over, and the papers we collected, the examination papers and the revision books, all of them were written MBIHI, girls, Friends High School, that is in Western. And this vehicle, as you can see, it plies Nairobi-Nakuru, Kapsabet, Kisumu, Kakamega up to Malava. Very long route.
Bowen ahithũrĩtie ndereba wa matatũ ũrĩa ũramũkĩra ũrigitani thibitarĩ-inĩ wa Naivasha ekũgeragia kũhĩtũka ngari ingĩ ũndũ ũrĩa ũtanakinyanĩra.
That's a very unfortunate event which could have been avoided if the drivers observe the traffic rules, especially this season where people are rushing to make a kill, because there is a lot of there are many people who are traveling in this season. First, the schools are breaking for the half-term break, and most of these drivers are trying to make as many trips as possible to make business.
Arutwo atatũ nĩmagurarire ũru rĩu makĩamũkĩra ũrigitani thibitarĩ-inĩ wa Naivasha. Mũnene wa gĩthomo kaunti-inĩ ya Naikuru Victoria Mulili akiuga mĩhang'o ya kũmathamĩria thibitarĩ-inĩ mũnene wa PGH nĩyambĩkĩtwo.
2 are serious because they have been placed in oxygen, but others are responding well to treatment.
Mutino ũyũ ũkĩte mathaa manini thutha wa andũ ana ũmwe arĩ mũrutwo gũkua hĩndĩ ĩrĩa mbathi ĩrĩa ĩramakuĩte gũthiĩ mwena wa Gĩthumo gũte mwerekera na kũgwa mũtaro-inĩ mwena wa Moro.
Tumepanda kutoka Kisumu. Safari imekuwa nzuri, lakini tulipofika hapa gari katoka barabarani nikaanguka kwa mtaro. Nilipoanguka hivi kwa mtaro imejivuta muda mrefu kidogo. Iliposimama vioo za hii upande wa chini zikawa zimepasuka. Ndio tukapata mwanya tukatoka.
Afithaa munene thibitarĩ-inĩ wa Moro Dagĩtarĩ Susan Wanjiko oigĩte andũ 17 nĩo maramũkĩra ũrigitani.
Last year wanajeshi walikufia hapa. Wanajeshi zaidi ya 10 waliweza kufia hapa. Gari Nissan zimeweza kuwa zinapata ajali hapa, watu wanakufa. Sisi tungeomba hii barabara iweze kupanuliwa, na hata kabla hawajaweza kupanua watu wekee pump kuanzia kwa sawmill mpaka pale mahali askari wanasimama.
Geri Fotera Kameme TV, Jeta Getau wa Wanjiko.